something.
How did you look at that and not see that?
There was nothing down there. It's like a water pump, bro.
Alright, bro, I didn't mean to fuck your racetrack up.
It's alright. Where that motherfucker?
Pull the bouncer off of it.
Yeah, it's laying on there too. Alright, Aaron, you can unhook the finish line and just head down this way.
Hey, I'm telling you, the flywheel's gonna be loose on it. There was no knocking up here.
It wasn't the same noise. So that's why you heard me listening. Trying to figure out what the fuck was going on. Look, there ain't nothing you can say about it. It's broke. That's what it was. You can all day long, but that's what broke.
I don't understand. Can we put the car on? We should put another bouncer on it.
Side.
You can come over here. Now it's gonna like just barely touch the tires on there.
Yeah, it's tight.
Good on this side. That way, just a yeah. Yeah, just like that. That should work.
It's not just red. Red.
This has green and free on it. That's why I was like, did you take a hose or?
I don't know.
Well, Hoff,
This has been quite an adventuring trip, brother.
quite the little journey today.
Yes, sir, man.
What happened? Blew the boost tube off?
Well, okay, we was no. Let's start from the beginning. We'll always start this story from the very beginning. I don't know. I was a little late to work this morning, so we had to be in Tulsa at noon. We didn't leave till 11. That's 2 hours from Norman. So we run a little late, which, you know, not the end of the world. It's kind of typical for us. Couldn't find the laptop. What else? We had to change the tune. We had to get the
pretty much reset the tune on the truck.
Yeah, we had to get our Holly up to date. So Ryan had a bunch of phone calls, so I jumped in the driver's seat and we made it all the way to Tulsa. Pretty fast, you know, record time, about 2 o'clock. And ate lunch and saw that it's got a little blow by on this brand new 6.4 motor that we just got put in this bad boy. And we was gonna go race, and it just didn't work out. So broke some stuff on the race truck.
Made a hit. And
yeah, I made a decent hit and came back and was trying to get ready for the next one. And tore some shit up, so we loaded it up and we were on our way home, and here we are.
No tools inside that place.
I think I got it.
Did you?
Yeah, come on, man.
What'd you use to do it with?
My bare hands and ingenuity.
You ain't got it yet.
I got it on there.
Did you change it?
No,
Put this one back on?
I slid it on because it's really hot.
Just thinking if it has to be the same line. That dry one might not fall off, but that's fine.
I don't even know where that dry one came from is what I'm worried about.
Doesn't matter if it's the right one. Who cares? But if this will go back on.
But yeah, back to Ryan was rolling coal the whole way back, and we heard a noise, and we're like, man, maybe the exhaust is loose. Well, we found it. It's right here.
Not the exhaust.
well, we didn't Snapchat it.
I wanted to.
No. You can't Snapchat.
We're not Snapchat. Oh man, that's really hot.
So yeah, it's been quite
I will
the-
also tell you, Ryan, that this wasn't very tight.
No?
I'll leave it at that.
Did you get Caleb?
We got whoever installed this motor. I'm not naming names, man.
I will name names. His name's Caleb. Dude, it's just blasting fucking oil back there on everything.
Oh, Ryan just got this detailed. Oh, the truck and the trailer.
Yeah. Oh, it's all totally fucked now. Every bit of it.
both trucks.
Yeah. Both truck, the trailer, everything. Not only does it have to be cleaned, but everything's gonna be worked on again.
So we were just gonna go down the road and
Make a quick pass. And hey, all of this and didn't even. And
Big-
they were blown up before we got there. Couldn't even race anybody. Like, not only is this frustrating, but also it's for totally no reason.
Absolutely not.
Absolutely no reason. Got zero accomplished.
why I got that stuck.
I don't know. She didn't get it off sweeping down the road.
So yeah,
I
just
don't
one
know
of
if I
those
can
days.
get it off.
Pull it back towards you, shake it. Literally, I mean, you did get lucky. I'll give you that because it's literally nothing that we would use.
The 11 would have been there to work.
You know what's
brought 212s for some reason.
the crazy part is like that is exactly, you know, what you would have brought today.
What?
The only day that
Yeah,
shit
oh, I
just,
know.
you know, happens.
Yeah.
He brings the
Yeah.
Geo kit.
Yeah. Yeah, we got American-made vehicle, and metric tools.
Missing the one socket that
You know
won't
what's
work.
you know what's crazy? I have tons of American tools in my toolbox, which
I have none
he has
in
all
my
metric
toolbox.
tools. He doesn't even know what to do with the metric. I mean, I don't even know. I don't get it.